How to turn off event subscriptions notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off event subscriptions notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down. Here you will find this one, settings, and then click notifications, and here just click events, and now just click event subscriptions. If you want to turn it off, it's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.